My name is Geri Mudrova with EstateAir Properties, and I'm delighted to present to you my new listing at 8052 Avanti Drive in El Dorado Hills, California. This Lennar home is just over 2,100 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms of modern elegance. Is where luxury meets functionality. As you enter, you're greeted by an open concept living space full of natural light with smart wiring for seamless connectivity. This home is designed for your lifestyle. A downstairs bedroom offers flexibility for guests or multi-generational living, and a dedicated office for your work from home needs. Upstairs, discover a versatile loft perfect for a playroom or cozy movie nights. The upstairs laundry room makes chores a breeze, while the master suite is your private retreat with ample space and serene views. Step outside to a large backyard, your personal oasis, complete with mature fruit trees and jaw-dropping valley vistas. Perfect for summer barbecues or quiet evenings under the stars. This home is as smart as it is beautiful. Own solar panels keep your energy bills low, and all appliances including the washer, dryer, and refrigerator come with the property. Nestled in prestigious Blackstone gated community, 8052 Avanti Drive offers peace of mind and a sense of belonging. This isn't just a house, it's where memories are made. Move-in ready, eco-friendly, and packed with upgrades. This El Dorado Hills gem is waiting for you. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you'd like more information or a private viewing, reach out to me, Geri Mudrova with EstateAir Properties. My information is below.